In today's video, I will show you another remedy that grows hair very fast. You have to use it twice a week and it will grow your hair. It's very safe because you can actually use this on your daughter's hair. I'm using this on her hair and it's growing very fast. Please like this video. Like it. Thanks. And let's get into the video. So the first thing you'll be needing is potato. Potato helps to grow hair very fast and is very effective. It has no side effects. So that's why you can use it on your daughter's hair for easy hair growth. And because of the less side effects it has or no side effects it has, it won't react or cause anything, any harm or irritation on the scalp of the hair. So once you have done grating your potato, you have to extract the juice of the potato. So this is the potato juice, and the next ingredient is onions. Remember, onions have sulfur, like I mentioned in my other videos. That's why it helps to grow hair and stop hair fall. So once you have done peeling off the back of the onions, then you have to grate your onions the way you grated the potato. Then you have to put the onion juice same way you put the potato juice. Just strain it. Ingredients we'll be adding is your extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil helps to grow hair very fast. It helps to grow edges as well, and it also helps to stop hair breakage. So you have to add 1 teaspoon of this olive oil to the potato and onion juice mixture you have just grated and strained. You have done, then you have to apply it on the scalp of the hair. Apply it firstly on the scalp before mixing it and applying it all over your hair. This will grow your hair very fast and stop hair fall and hair breakage. So once you have done applying it on all over your scalp, then you have to apply it all over your hair for hair growth. But firstly, apply it on the scalp so that it can grow your hair very fast. So that's how it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our video. Thanks.